Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn some more tags of HTML. If you go to my playlist, you can see I have already created one video on HTML. So the first work I am going to do is to create a folder in which I will keep all the web pages that I will create and all the images that I want to use for creating these web pages. So the topic that I have chosen to create HTML web page is school. So first work that we have to do is to open Notepad. After opening Notepad, we have to start writing the codes. First of all, go to file, go to save as. Whatever file name you want to put, okay. After that, you have to write HTML, then click on save. Now for your ease and to save our time, I have already created two web pages. One is of school and one is of next, and the image that I'm going to use is school. So let me open the first web page and let me show you what codes I have written. So this is the code that I have written. I'm creating a sample web page to show you. The first tag that we have to start is with HTML, then head, title we have to put in school, then head close. The head tag is closed. After that we have to start body. The BG color I have given is cam. Now after that we have to start with murky. Some attributes we have used is behavior. The behavior of that murky is alternate. Direction will be from left. Height is 80, busy color red, horizontal space 20, and it will loop for 4 times. Loop is optional. Now we have to start para and I have to give the heading, that is HTML page on school. The font size I have taken 8 and the color of this text will be yellow. Now here the murky tag will get closed. Now this web page, in this web page I am going to create the table. So we have to start with table tag, and attribute that I have used is border is 4, the border size is 4, and the border color will be red. I am also going to use a caption. The caption is our school. The font size is 8 and the color is blue. Now here the caption tag is closed. After that we have started with table row, then I have given a table heading. The first table heading is about school. After that in the first cell I have written this text, and in the second cell I have inserted an image. You can see how the path I have chosen. I have chosen the height, width and alignment of the image. Next, in the same column of the table, I have used two types of list. One is ordered list and second is unordered list. So first I am going to show you unordered list. The unordered list start with UL, and the bullet that I have used here is of square type. So the name I have given is unordered list, and in the list I have given copy, book and pen as in list. Okay. After that we have started unordered list. U tag I have given to underline ordered list and unordered list. You can see here I have used it U tag. Now the list of ordered list is physics, chemistry and biology. Now here I have closed ordered list, then table data, and then table row. Now our table work is done. After that I have given as a reference, that means you will see a text on the web page, that is click next. I have given as a reference, hypertext reference. Now the body is closed and HTML tag is closed. That means the first page is done. Let me show you how to run it. Now you can see here the web page that I have created, school is app here. Now double click it. You can see the web page that I have created look like this one. This is murky. This is the caption our school. The table heading I have given, the first one is about school and second one is image. In the first column you can see in the first cell I have written the text that is appeared here, and the second one I have inserted one image. Now in this cell I have given the unordered list, and in this one ordered list. Now if you can see here, a button is called click next I have given. So let me show you the second web page. So for that I have to right click over there, go to open with and click on notepad. Now this is the second web page. Same way we have to start with HTML head, the title is sample form. That means in the second web page I have created a form. So the BG color I have given is olive, murky I have given in this web page also. The font size will be 8 and the name is sample form. Now form since I have to create form, so I have to open with form tag. The attributes are action, this is action. Now method is post. Font size I have chosen 4 and the color I have given gold. Now I want to give the font size for the remaining. That means the heading that I am going to use for the form, the fill up the form. When I will run this one, then you will understand. So the tags I have used is paragraph, underline and bold. After that I have created a label, that is first name, and the ID is also first name and type is text. Now BR tag I have used to break the line. Next label I have created for last name. After that one more label I have created for password. Now I have again used the break tag. Next I inserted two buttons, one is submit button and reset button. After that I have used a drop down list. I have created one drop down list. From here you can see is the tag for drop down list. I have chosen three content or three options for the drop down. One is physics, chemistry and biology. After that I have chosen the radio button. From here to this one is the tag for radio button. Here I have asked for the gender, whether you are female or male. After that I have written the tags for checkbox. Two checkbox I have used. Since it is a sample codes, that's why I have chosen only two. So first one is matriculation and second one is higher secondary. Now body tag close and HTML tag close. Now this is the code. Now let me close it and show you the web page. I am going to open the school only. Now when you click on this click next, it will lead you to next web page. Now in this web page you can see I have written first name, suppose write anything here, last name, and whenever you will enter the password, you can see it will not showing whatever I'm writing here, but you will get a like a structure. When you click here, it will show you what is the password. Now when I will submit, click on the send button, you can directly open or choose which email client you want to use. Next, if you click on reset button or field will clear. Next is drop down list. So as you have seen in the code that I have chosen three subjects. One is physics, chemistry and biology. So whatever you want to choose, you can choose from the drop down menu. Next is radio button. So two options I have given only, one is male or female. You can choose any one of them. Next is checkbox, that means select your qualification. I have chosen two checkbox. If you have done matriculation, then click matriculation, and if you have done higher secondary also, then choose higher secondary too. Now this is the web page that I have created. So use these tags, and a lot of tags are available in Google. Go search for it. So I'm going to show you the codes again. So if possible, write it down somewhere, or you can pause the video to write it down. A lot of tags are available for HTML. Some tags I've used. Now this one is for creating the form. In form, I have shown you how many types of input we can use, like checkbox, radio button, drop down list, checkbox, and also I have shown you how to use password. So I hope that this video is helpful for you. If you want this code, then text me, I will send you these codes. So till then, thank you.